Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're doing a little light cleaning and decorating my entryway and living room for Valentine's Day. We are going to keep things simple and add touches of Valentine's decor to these two spaces. Most of the items I'm using are things that I've had on hand or have shared with you in past shopping hauls. Anything that I can link will be in my description box below. If you are new here, welcome. I would hope that you would hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel and follow me on all of my social media sites. All of those links are listed in the description box below. Enjoy today's video. I just recently purchased this beautiful mirror from Ross. So we're going to hang it up and decorate in the entryway. This set of two decorative boxes I've had for a couple of years now. I also purchased them from Ross. They are Z Gallery dupes. These ginger jars I actually purchased from Shein, and I absolutely love them. Let's add some florals to the bigger ginger jar to bring in more pink to the space.
Whenever you're lonely, just pick up the phone and call me. I'll be there. Girl, let me show
the space must smell good, right? So I'm adding a air wick scented oil to the space.
if you get blue, I got the loving for you. Yeah, I'll be there.
And to complete this styling, I'm adding this XOXO sign that I had already, and I'm loving the look. Now my beautiful friend Christy C, she's my sister slash friend. She gifted me these beautiful pics that I've had for many years, and I enjoy pulling them out every Valentine's season. Now I could do something around this round mirror, but I want to just keep things simple. Let's move on to the living room. If you've been following me, you know I had the angel theme in this space for Christmas, and I'm going to keep it out through Valentine's Day. And who knows, I love it so much, I may keep it out even longer than that. So I'm adding these pillows in pink to my sectional.
And when we're together, my love, you give me hope and a way to cope. Yeah, yeah. I know sometimes life can be tough, and you feel like you just had enough. When you're thinking everything is gone wrong,
All of these pillow covers came from Amazon, as well as the sectional and even the area rug.
I wanna pick you up from the ground, let you know that I'm always around, 'cause I know we can make it, yes we can make it, if we try, keep on trying. You got it. I believe in you. You got it. I know you got this. You got it. Just keep on trying. You got it. There's been a lot of bumps in the road. Oh yeah. Always carrying that oh so heavy load. When you feel like there's too much on your plate.
Next, let's work on the coffee table. Now, I shared these beautiful charms. I have two, one large, one small, in a recent shopping haul that I picked up from Home Goods.
'Cause I know we can make it. Yeah, we can make it if we try. Yes, we can make it if we try. Keep on trying. You got it. You're gonna make it. You got it. I believe in you.
I'm going to add some greenery and some roses to this coffee table to liven up the space.
Trying, girl. Got it. You're gonna make it. Got it. 'Cause I believe in you. Yeah. Just keep on trying. Got to keep on trying. Now, baby, I believe in you. Just keep on trying. Everything will be I remember when we used to be in love, and we thought that nothing could ever keep us from partying, leaving this romance behind. But now you're gone.
Let's add a few pieces to this console right here by my door. So right now I'm going to vacuum my floors, and then we'll share what we've accomplished today in the entryway and living room. So let's take a look at what we've accomplished today.
Oh, my dear sweetheart, there's something I have to say to you. Can't hold it inside any longer. These feelings I have for you. Every day when I see your face, my heart skips a beat and I forget how to breathe. I start to shake and my chest gonna break if I don't get to hold you. So I just had to write this letter, 'cause girl, you're always on my mind. Nothing I have can make you better, 'cause you've got something oh so right, something oh so right. I hope I don't scare you off. Don't mean to be pushy about it. I don't usually say this much. I just had to tell you in all honesty. 'Cause every day when I see your face, I find myself dreaming about how it would be to feel your breath and hold your hand close to my heart. So I just had to write this kind of wonderful, some kind of magical woman. My love's for real. I need to show you right now. Take a look at me now. I can't explain for the life of me what you did to me when I met you last summer. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me, and we're walking on cloud nine. Wide awake, and the step that I take is to celebrate what my heart has discovered. You set me free, you believed in me. Now you're here with me, and we're walking on cloud nine.
Well, that's all I have for you in today's video. Stay tuned because there's more Valentine's inspiration coming your way. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all of my social media sites and shop my Amazon store for beautiful home decor, home essentials, personal items, and more. All of those links will be listed in my description box below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I'll see you on the very next video. Have a blessed, beautiful day. Please be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon. Love you guys.